Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Maeda, وَإِذَا سَمِعُوا مَا أُنزِلَ إِلَى الرَّسُولِ تَرَى أَعْيُنَهُمْ تَفِيضُ مِنَ الدَّمْعِ مِمَّا عَرَفُوا مِنَ الْحَقِّ يقولون ربنا آمنا فاكتبنا مع الشاهدين. Translation: And when they listen to what is revealed upon the messenger, you can see their eyes overflow with tears because they recognize truth in it. They pray, Our Rabb, we have believed, so write us among the witnesses. When Prophet Muhammad started to preach Islam in Mecca, the first people to get the message were the polytheists of Mecca, and they became the enemies of Prophet Muhammad and the newly converted Muslims, and they used to torture the new Muslims, and Prophet Muhammad allowed the new Muslims to migrate towards Habsha, including the men and women, because Habsha was the closest country where Muslims could stay on their religion and stay in a peaceful situation. However, the polytheists of Makkah went after them in Habsha, and they made a complaint to the king of Habsha that these are the people who have left us. But the king of Habsha did not listen to these polytheists and did not do any harm to the Muslims. He let them live in Habsha peacefully. Among those immigrants were included the cousin of Prophet Muhammad Hazrat Jafar bin Abi Talib. These Muslims stayed over there for many years, and when Hazrat Jafar was leaving Habsha and coming to Prophet Muhammad the king of Habsha, Najashi, sent a delegation with him, including his son, and that delegation was of 60 people. Najashi wrote a letter to Prophet Muhammad and he said that I testify that you are the true messenger sent by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I have made a pledge on the hand of your cousin for you, and I have accepted the obedience of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I am sending my son towards you, but if you order, I will come myself to you. Wassalamu alaikum ya Rasulullah. Unfortunately, the ship that this group of 60 people was on sank, and these people drowned in the sea. However, Hazrat Jafar anhu came with other folks to Prophet Muhammad and they were about 70 people. Majority were from Habsha, and there were 8 people from Sham. When this group came to Prophet Muhammad Prophet Muhammad recited Surah Yasin from beginning to the end. When they heard Surah Yasin, they started to cry and said that we believe and became Muslim. They said that whatever we heard is very similar to what Hazrat Isa alayhi salam was revealed. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent the ayah وَلَا تَجِدَنَّا قَرَبَهُمْ مَوَدَّةً لِلَّذِينَ الْأَخْ. This ayah was sent. So these people who heard the Quran were Christians, but they accepted Islam when they heard the Quran, and they were crying because their hearts testified the truth. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran and give us heartly connection to Quran. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.